In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Messenger account from other devices. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open the Messenger app on your device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. Head over into the menu section, and under the menu section, click on that settings button. On the settings page, you'll find this section. So under your name, you'll be able to find all of the settings that you have for your Messenger account. Now if you go ahead and click on privacy and safety, you won't be able to find the option to remove Messenger account from other devices or the activities of your account. You can find that under the view security alerts, but you won't be able to do any action under that. So to be able to remove Messenger account from other devices, what you can do is to go ahead and scroll at the bottom of your settings. Click on that Meta Account Center tab. Click on that password and security button, which you'll find under the account settings, and click on that where you're logged in. And after that, go ahead and click on your Facebook account, and under this you'll be able to find all of your account login activity to where your account is currently signed in. Click on that specific device to where you want to remove your Messenger account from. Simply click on that logout button and your account will be immediately logged out from this specific device. And that's basically how you can remove Messenger account from other devices. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.